Hi dolls! This is the second part of the two-part restoration of Barbie and Ken. We are dealing with a number 3 ponytail with lots of issues, and a previous hidden restoration gone wrong. So let's get started, shall we? As usual, I give her a good scrub using a vinyl cleaner and a soft cloth. The hair is basically just a bunch of dreadlocks, so I applied some conditioner to prep her for the brushing. And here's my cat trying to get some screen time. The feet need a reconstruction, which we'll deal with later. For now, I apply Removes It to the black stain so it has time to do its thing. After boiling some water, I mix in a capful of fabric softener. And I work my way through the dreadlocks, ends to root. Once that's done, I part the hair like so, leaving out the section which is used to hide the elastic band. I tie the hair with an orthodontic rubber band, and I wrap the section from earlier around it. To secure the ends, I pass them through the middle of the ponytail using a needle. I then use pipe cleaners to curl the hair. And I roll her ponytail into the classic sausage roll. Neither me nor the previous owner knew of any previous restoration work, but upon close inspection she looked to have had her eyeshadow painted blue. Now, number 3 Ponytail Barbies were produced with either brown or blue eyeliner, with the latter being the more rare one, so I suspect some shady business. Luckily, her owner highly agreed to bring the doll back to its original form, so I began scrubbing away using a Q-tip. Although I applied no pressure at all, unfortunately the paint underneath faded, but nothing a little acrylic paint can fix. Because Barbie was mass-produced, some factory errors can be expected. such as the white underneath the eye, where the brown eyeliner was supposed to be. I know, it's a controversial subject, and had it been done symmetrically, I would have never covered it up. But as it threw off the entire face and distracted from the beauty of the paint job, I went over it with the brown acrylic and made it more similar to the other eye. The lipstick is almost always faded on ponytails, so I always try to give a sheer coat of paint to the lips to make them pop. In her case, she was also missing a piece of her lip, so I guess it couldn't hurt. And of course, we can't forget the nostrils. Now that the Removes It has had several days to process the stain, I remove it and pray it worked. And it does seem to have worked wonders, so I remove the residue with Formula 911. To reconstruct the missing foot, I use Clear Soft UV gel, and I build it up in layers, curing it in between. After which I shape the gel using 220 grit sandpaper. I then move on to the nails. Applying a light pink marker helps to blend it in a little more. You can obviously still tell that something's off with the foot, but as always, my aim is to try and minimize the damage, as making it disappear is close to impossible. Now moving on to the last step, setting the hair. I find that protecting the doll with a plastic bag and leaving it in boiling water gives the best results without having to wet the hair, thus not weighing it down and potentially losing the curl. I take off the roller carefully, and I tie the end of the ponytail into its classic shape using matching thread. Then I tie it to the head to make sure it is self-sustained and it won't lose its bounce in time. I put in these plastic post earrings I made, which you can purchase through the link in the pinned comment. They give you the original Barbie look without worrying about green ear. And that is it, dolls! If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at DoeDearWonderland. And I will see you in my next video!